everyone, my name is James and I would like to welcome you all at my YouTube channel PHP with James. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to introduce this channel. Actually, this channel is all about PHP, nothing else, because most of the channels on YouTube do focus on multiple programming languages and they don't focus only on PHP. So that's why this channel is totally dedicated to the PHP. And secondly, on this channel you will be learning step by step, like starting from the very basic concepts and step by step moving towards the advanced concepts. So let's get started with the basics. With the basics you will learn syntax, how to write PHP code, how to write the control structures, if else, switch, how to use the loops, while loop, do while loop, for each loop, how to use arrays and strings and how to manipulate these, how to set the cookies, how to use the form handling in PHP, like how to fetch the data from the forms and then later we will save in the database. And I'll also include practice assignments for the beginners, because this way they can learn and practice the concepts and the basics. And secondly, as a PHP developer, as a prerequisite you should know the basic concepts of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and MySQL, because if you need to develop the dynamic web pages, then you should need MySQL, and for the presentation, for the viewpoint, you need to know about HTML and CSS, and for doing some interactivity you should know about JavaScript. So next, move towards the advanced. In the advanced section we will cover the OOP, the object-oriented programming in PHP, what are namespaces, what are inheritance and other advanced concepts of object-oriented programming. And we will also see the design patterns in PHP, like how different design pattern works, like the singleton design pattern and other design pattern works. And next we will cover the SOAP and REST APIs in PHP. We will also cover security, performance, error and exception handling in PHP. So this is a good start for a beginner if he want to know about the basics and moving towards the advanced. So next, moving towards the interview, where we will cover the frequently asked question and server side advanced questions, because as you know that as a PHP developer, when you need to switch your job you have to go through the interview. So you should well prepare for the interview, because that is a very good impression if you have a good command on the interview questions. So moving on towards the frameworks and CMS. In the framework and CMS we will cover the basic and the advanced frameworks as well, like the Laravel is a very good framework in PHP, G framework, Zen framework, Symfony framework, and for the CMS is like WordPress, Magento and Drupal. So these are the things that we are going to cover at this channel. So what is the purpose of this channel? Actually, I do have the mission of this channel, like this channel should be the complete reference to PHP language and its core function. What it means? Actually, if let me give you an example, like if some person want to know the substring function in PHP, he just need to come at this channel and search that video and he can have the complete idea of that function, what are the input and what are the output of that function. So I just want to make this channel a complete reference to PHP language, that if someone need to know anything about PHP, they can come to this channel and can learn all about the PHP. So we also cover the updates on latest tools and technologies, which tools and technologies we should use with PHP for development. We will also cover on this channel. And next we will cover all advanced topics. So we will not just cover the basic, we will cover the advanced concepts of software architecture, agile methodologies, Scrum, Kanban, PHP unit, advanced OOP, and best practices, performance and scaling, and security in PHP. So secondly, love to learn through videos. I guess most people don't find reading the blog posts very interesting, so they can learn from videos very easily, because videos are more fun way to learn, and videos are easily can be consumed by the people, and so that's why videos are a very good source of learning. So that's why this is the focus of this channel. So moving on, as you know that everyone need a motivation. Like if you are a PHP developer, what is your motivation? So for PHP is easy to learn, because learning curve is short as compared to other programming languages like Java, ASP.NET, etc. It's very easy to understand and to master. Like I can say that within a month you can start building a very basic CRUD, that is create, read, update and delete simple web application, and then you can definitely move towards the advanced one. So that's why PHP is very easy to learn. So secondly, it has a very good job market. Like a lot of PHP web development jobs are out there. You can go to indeed.com, you can go to linkedin.com or any job hunting website in your country, and you can just search for the PHP web developer or PHP developer. You can find a lot of job. So it means it has a very good job market. And thirdly, it has the freelance opportunity. Like if you learn and master PHP, you can have a lot of freelance work available on websites like upwork.com, fiverr.com, freelancer.com. So this is a very good motivation that you can earn a lot of money by doing some freelance work, and even you can skip your 9 to 5 job, and you can go for total freelance career. So you can follow us on our Facebook page, and thanks for watching, and please do subscribe, like, share and comments. Tell me what you want at this channel, and what I can do to add values to your life, and please take a very good care of yourself. I'll see you in the videos. Bye.